Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Plymouth local and long-distance movers near me. Our long-distance moving services are specially designed to minimize the risk and strains of traveling long distance. Whether the move is interstate or intrastate, we have the facilities and equipment to pull a long-distance move off. We will also secure protection for you and your belongings throughout the move. We can promise that no possessions will be damaged or lost as long as we handle your move. Our movers have the required training to make your move a pleasurable one. They make sure to handle your belongings with care and transport them as though they were the owners. They take the best routes and will deliver your belongings to your new location in one piece. We work with the authorities to make sure that we can move through all the reliable routes without any problems. Local relocations are less expensive and stressful than their long-distance counterparts. We offer one of the most affordable moving services in Plymouth, as low as $30 to $40 per hour. This low price does not affect the quality of service that we will provide to you. Our moving equipment is of the highest quality, and they can handle the bustling nature of cities without any problems. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Plymouth moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.